In this video, let's understand the difference between communication skills and public speaking. It's a commonly asked question. Saurabh, I'm a student. Saurabh, I'm an IT professional. Why should I learn public speaking? I'm not a politician. I'm not a speaker. Is it important for me to learn public speaking? That's a question I get. Because they say, Saurabh, I want to learn communication skills, but I don't want to learn public speaking. Because they feel both are different. Now, let me tell you my perspective on public speaking and how it is related to communication skills. See, I'm a public speaking coach myself. From last few years, I'm in this field of public speaking. People call me as the #1 public speaking coach in my city of Hyderabad and top 3 in India. Okay. Now, I have the credentials to share about this. I'm an author of a book on public speaking as well. So, I'll share my experience and my thoughts on public speaking and communication in this video. Now, if you see, what is public speaking? People's perspective is, public speaking is about going on a stage, a red carpet stage, with thousands of people sitting in front of you, with a mic in your hand, and you're addressing that number of people. That is public speaking for them. They have that image in their head of public speaking in them. And that creates fear in them. And they feel, no, I don't want that. Why the hell I need that? I'm an IT professional. I need a small group of people. I need to speak in a round table conference. I'm a student. I need to speak in a small room in my classroom of 30 people. Now they feel this communication is different than stage speaking of 1,000 people. Now please understand, I'll tell you my experience. Public speaking is nothing but a worst case scenario of communication skills. I'll repeat it once again. Public speaking is nothing but a worst case scenario of any communication. Why I say it? Now just think, if I am on stage right now, okay, I may have a collar mic right now, assuming, okay, and I'm speaking to you, to hundreds of people, assuming. Now I'm using my hands, I'm using my voice, I'm telling a story, I'm pausing, I'm using all the gestures which are required, I'm connecting with the audience, I'm using all the tools which I would use if I'm talking to a group of 4 people. Or if I'm talking to a group of 2 people, or even if I'm talking to 1 person. Definitely, for example, right now I'm talking to this camera. Okay, for me it's just 1 person, but you may see in different numbers, but for me it's just 1 person. I'm still using my hands. I'm still using my eye connection. I'm still using language, which is English. I'm still structuring my thoughts. Yeah, which means all the skill which you use on a bigger stage is what you will use even in one-to-one conversation. So that's what I say. Public speaking is nothing. It's but just a communication. But what kind of communication? It's a worst case scenario of any communication. Why worst case scenario? Because it is most fearful. If you go and Google, you will find out 73% of population in the globe are scared to go on stage and speak. They're ready to die. They're ready to jump from a mountain. They're willing to be bitten by a snake. But they're not willing to go and speak on stage. Why? Because it is the most fearful thing. Now, when you learn that, when you master that skill of going on stage and speaking comfortably and confidently in front of thousands of people, do you think it is a task for you to speak to 1 person or 2 person? Don't you think it will be easy? What do you think? Yes or no? It will be easy, yes? Because skill is the same. Whatever you do on stage in front of hundreds of people, same skill you need to speak to even 1 person. I'll tell you my story, okay? I was a very shy person, introvert guy. I couldn't speak anything in front of just 1 person. That's how I was. But when I mastered the art of public speaking, I still remember it was Maruti Suzuki. There were hundreds of sales professionals in front of me, high-stake meeting, and I could put the stage on fire in front of this hundreds of people. And they all loved it, they enjoyed it, and I enjoyed it. Now when I did that, do you think it's hard for me to go and speak to a camera like this? Do you think it's hard for me to go and talk to a girl, or go and talk to a group of 3 boys or girls, whatever? Do you think it's hard or easy? What do you think? It's easy, damn easy, because I know I'm a great speaker. If I'm a great speaker, I'm a great communicator as well. Please understand. So public speaking is not for politicians only. Public speaking is not for a speaker like me only. Public speaking is for every individual who communicates. Now, why should you learn? Because it is the biggest fear in the whole world. The biggest fear in the whole world is what you should aim for. Because when you kill the worst, rest becomes easy. Believe me guys, just go and master public speaking. You will lose fear from your life. Except the fear of wife though, that's a different fear. Keeping that aside, once you lose the fear, you become a great communicator by default. I've done this for thousands of people across the globe. I've experienced this myself. My career has grown vertically. Right now I work with a couple of MLAs, MPs, big politicians, big business owners. It's all because of my skill of public speaking. Because I have value in me which they want. And that value you can create to your audience by mastering the skill of public speaking. You will grow your career vertically. You will get promotions on time. Okay, as a student, people will love to talk to you. Okay, even girls. Okay, if you're a boy watching this video, girls will love to interact with you, my friend, for sure. Because you become confident by default. Okay, so practice and keep this in mind that public speaking is a worst case scenario of any communication skill. So if I learn public speaking, communication becomes easy for me because the tools are all the same. So what I recommend you is go and grab a book, go and watch a video. There are many videos I have on public speaking. Go and search Saurabh Charia public speaking. Let's find so many videos you will find. Watch them, learn public speaking, practice it, record videos and overcome that fear. And when you do that, by default, your communication level grows in a way you can't even imagine. I have done it for myself. I've done it for thousands of people. You can also do it. But you have to spend some time, effort, energy on it. Yeah, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Let them also know the difference between communication and public speaking. And if you have specific questions to ask in the comment section below. Saurabh Charia here. I'll see you soon with a new video. Thanks for watching.